Item number 1. Given point A 0, 20 and point B 20, 0, there are 2 points such that triangle ABC is isosceles with base AB and has an area of 50 square units. Find the coordinates of C. My first thing to do was draw the base AB. So it tells you 0, 20, and 20, 0 are your points. Draw a line, okay? Now, since it gives me an area of 50 units squared, I know I'm gonna have to do something with the length of this. So, first step I did was find the length of AB. As you can see, since this length, 20, is the same as this length, 20. So, we see a 45, 45, 90 triangle appear there with x, x, and x root 2 as your side lengths. So, since we know this is 20, that's 20, that means that the hypotenuse, which is the length of AB, is 20 root 2. Next step, so it gives you the area of the triangle. So that's 1/2 times base height. So 50, as it gives you, is 1/2. We have the base 20 root 2 times the height. So I solve for h, and I got 5 over root 2 as my height. So now we know what the triangle has to look like, sort of. So it has to have a height here of 5 root 2. Okay, we're trying to find point C. Call it C1 and C2. I'm trying to find those 2 points. So the first thing I did was first find the midpoint, because when you have something like this, to find the height, you want to draw a line perpendicular, so you can give us the whole height of the triangle. So the midpoint here is pretty obvious. You can tell it's kind of 10, 10. But if you want to do that, you just do x1 plus x2 over 2 and y1 plus y2 over 2, so you get 10, 10. Okay, that's your midpoint right there. 10, 10. Okay. So now that you have that, where is point C? Okay, so because we know that the height is 5 over 2, okay, so we say, because you can draw a line here, I'll go back to this picture. This line right here, you know that's y equals x, right? Because, I mean, it goes through 10, 10, so, and 0, 0, so you can just kind of infer that it's y equals x. Anyways, so based off that, and so what we do here is know that the height is 5 over 2, so that's kind of the hypotenuse of a right triangle you can draw. So here's 5 root 2, and then here's x, x, and that's x root 2, which is what we did earlier, as you can see. So x root 2 equals 5 over root 2, and then I solved, multiplied by root 2 on both sides, 2x equals 5, x equals 5 halves. So since we know that, and because, like I said earlier, it applies over here too. Let's see, 2. Yeah, so my C1 is going to be this point right here, 10, 10. So my x value is going to be, of this point, it's going to be 10 plus 5 halves, right? Since x is 5 halves. And then my y value is going to be 10 plus 5 halves as well. And same thing for C2, except it's subtracting 10 minus 5 halves, 10 minus 5 halves. And once you simplify out, you get that, but here's what I typed in. That's your answer.